day, Madam and Sir. I'm Merlita Abinuha, 42 years old, married with one son, age 6 years old. I'm currently living here in Malinaw, Mahaplag, Leyte, Philippines. My height is 145 centimeter. I'm college graduate. I'm graduated Bachelor of Elementary Education. I have work experience abroad in UAE and Saudi Arabia. My duties and responsibilities are cooking, cleaning, washing, car washing, marketing, and taking care of the children. You can rely on me at all times, Madam and Sir. My preferred duties and responsibilities is to taking care of newborn baby, kids, and elderly. To my future family employer, I am trustworthy, loving, caring, and hardworking. Sir, Madam, if you give me a chance to work with you, I will try my best to work hard in your family. I hope you choose me as one of your helper. Thank you and God bless.